multiplying fraction by a whole number. Paano ba natin i-multiply ang mixed fraction sa whole number? The rule says, change mixed fraction to improper fraction. So, i-change natin ang ating mixed fraction to improper fractions. We have 5 times 8, we have 40. Then, add the numerator which is 2. So, magiging 42. Okay, then copy the denominator of the mixed fraction. So, anong gawin natin sa ating whole number? Hindi na tayo pwedeng mag-multiply ng whole number against a fraction. So, sabi ng rule, make your whole number into a fraction by having a denominator of 1. So, ang ating fraction sa 4 ay 4 over 1. Dahil pag i-divide natin ang 4 divided by 1, magiging 4 na rin ang result. So, lahat ng whole number ay mayroong denominator na 1. So, proceed na tayo sa ating rule in multiplication of fraction. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So, 42 times 4. So, we have 8. 4 times 4, we have 16. So, 168. 8 times 1, we have 8. So, ang answer natin ay 168 over 8. Our answer is an improper fraction. So, kailangan natin i-divide 168 divided by 8. So, first digit quotient is 2. 2 times 8, we have 16. Subtract. So, bring down 8. 8 divided by 8, we have 1. Times 8, we have 8. So, wala tayong remainder. So, ang ating answer is a whole number which is 21.